How to activate EastWest credit card online. Hey guys, this is Nina from Create Login Delete and let's get started. Open up your web browser and at the search bar you want to type in www.eastwestbanker.com. Once you have done that, you will land into this page. Now click on to online banking on your top right. Under these options, if you want to activate your personal account, then click on to the first option. If not, click on to the second one. Again, enter your username and your password and click on Login. If you don't have an account, then click on Sign Me Up. And just like so, scroll below and after you have read all the terms and conditions, check the box and click on Continue. Once the dialog box pops up, click on Yes that you have a debit or credit card. Again, at this page, enter your card number and your PIN and click on Continue again. Just like so, this is how you do it. Thank you all for watching and do like and subscribe for more.